Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Novetus Roblox. Novetus is a fantastic, free, and open-source launcher that lets you experience Roblox in many different ways. It supports running both local area network and internet servers, offering a wide range of Roblox client versions. To get started, your first step is to download the stable Novetus package, which is readily available on itch.io. Once you have downloaded Novetus, extract the entire archive into a new, dedicated folder on your computer. Before you launch the main application, it is crucial to run the dependency installer to ensure all necessary programs are correctly set up. After dependencies are installed, you can then launch Novetus by executing either the Novetus bootstrapper.exe or the Novetus launcher legacy.bat file. With Novetus launched, you will find options to either host a new server or join an existing one. You can choose between a local area network server for friends nearby or an internet server for wider access. The launcher also lets you select from a wide array of supported Roblox client versions, ranging from older builds to more recent ones, giving you great flexibility in your gameplay. Novetus offers robust features beyond just launching games. You can dive into extensive offline player customization, complete with enhanced three-dimensional avatar previews to perfect your look. For those interested in creating, an expanded software development kit is available for mod development. Plus, you will benefit from improved networking capabilities, better client security, and broad client support spanning many Roblox versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.